Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to get your channel link to share to your friends, to anyone you want to push them to subscribe to your channel. So here I already put my YouTube on my mobile, and then you go to your profile here. That's my profile. Okay, and then here you can see there is an option of your channel. Click that your channel, and then here you can't see any share button, but if you click this triple dot on the upper, there is an option of share. See, this is the share. So I will click that share, and then I will copy the link, or for instance you can click through WhatsApp, Google Chat, or Messenger, or Discord, and so on. For me, I will try to make it copy to link, and then I'll try to open my WhatsApp. No, WhatsApp, I mean I try to open my Discord, and then for example I want to share. I just paste, for example, to this person. I just press and hold and then click paste. And then that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.